Kua whakahē a Christchurch City Holdings I te tono a te rangapū mahi tahi a Tōnui ki te rihi I te Tauranga o Whakaraupō.
We asked to meet with CCHL to discuss the proposal, but they felt that it was unnecessary to engage with us. They also asked us not to engage with any of their board members or provide any further information. And so we did honour that request of us.
Ko Christchurch City Holdings ngā kaiarehi o Lyttelton Port Company mō te kaunihera o Waitaha me ngā kai noho. Kāore rātou I whai wā mō Tahu News engari I tuku pānui mai te heamana a Brian Pearson e ki ana, kāore te tono I eke ki te taumata kia wānanga tonutia.
They rejected the proposal on 3 key areas. What we felt was some of that information you wouldn't be able to assess until due diligence had actually been undertaken. I think what it sends is a clear message that whilst the rhetoric might say that they want to see partnership, they want to see investment, they want to see new opportunities, unless it fits very closely within their parameters, then they're not open to exploring opportunities. Partnership is more than just a discussion.
I tukuna e tōnui te tono I te rā marama, a kua whakahēngia te tono mō ngā take e toru. Kāore he hiahia mō te haumitanga, ka tautoko tonu rātou I te rōpū e arahi ana I a Lyttelton Port Company, a hea wangawanga anō mō te wāriu o te tono. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.